Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akil Haris bin Hussein. My metric number is 23DPE19F1037. Today I will present about the graph. The chart shows the Facebook user from 2017 until 2021 in Malaysia. The graph depicts the increase in the number of Facebook users in Malaysia from 2017 to 2020. Generally, Facebook has become a fact among Malaysians who use it as a platform for making money through streaming and marketing. With a big surge from 2017 to 2020. The number of users increased from 18.65 million to 21.78 million in 2018. The number of Facebook users climbed to 22.97 million the following years, with a peak of 24.81 million in 2020. Following the achievement of the highest number of Facebook users in 2020, Malaysians' use of sites like TikTok and Instagram has grown. As a result, in 2021, there is a slight decrease with the value 24.67 million. Finally, in keeping with current modernism, social media can be used to create cash and build businesses. The second graph shows the wildlife population from 2017 to 2022. As you can see, this is firstly the population about the bears. The bears representing the blue line. The number of the bears from years to years is increasing from 8 to 184 in 2017 until 2020. After that, about the dolphin population. In 2017, the numbers of dolphins is about 150, but unfortunately, the population of dolphins is decreasing and experiencing extinction. In 2022, the number of dolphins is 1. This shows the population of dolphins is about experiencing extinction. Lastly, the population of whales. The whales representing the gray line. The whales population is ascending and descending from years to years. In 2017, the whale number is 80 and in the 2022, the number of whales is decreased to 72. That means the population of whales is decreasing. The wildlife population can be saved from our behavior. We can improve the population with maintaining our environment safely. That's all for me. Thank you.